Namaste, welcome to Ybi Foundation. Let's learn, practice and upskill. Welcome to this tutorial on generating summary statistics in Python using Pandas library. In this tutorial, we will focus on the powerful describe method, a tool that quickly summarizes the key characteristics of a data frame. We will look at how the describe method generates key summary statistics for each column in a data frame. As shown, the describe method takes in a data frame, like the one you see on the left, and returns statistical information. For numerical data columns, the describe method provides summary statistics such as the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, various percentiles and maximum value. For non-numeric columns, describe method will provide count, the number of unique values, the most frequent value, also known as the top, and the frequency of the top value. We will create a Pandas data frame to demonstrate the use of describe method for summary statistics. Let's start by importing the Pandas library. Next, we'll create a data dictionary that contains 4 columns: age, salary, department, and full-time status. This data dictionary will include both numeric and non-numeric data. Age and salary columns contain numeric values representing the age and salary of employees. The department column holds categorical data indicating which department each employee belongs to. And the full-time column uses Boolean values to specify whether the employee works full-time or part-time. We now use Pandas DataFrame function as pd.DataFrame to convert data dictionary into Pandas DataFrame. As we have assigned df name to our newly created data frame, so now view it by typing df. We use the syntax Df.describe and get summary statistics of all numerical columns. In this example, Df.describe provides summary statistics for the numerical columns age and salary, count, the total number of non-null values in each column, mean, the average value of the data, standard deviation, a measure of how spread out the data is, min and max, the smallest and largest values. Percentiles, 25%, 50%, 75%. These quartiles give insights into how the data is distributed. We will explore how to apply the describe method to a specific column in a data frame. The describe method is not limited to the entire data frame. It can also be used to provide summary statistics of a single column. For example, to generate summary statistics for the single age column, we use the syntax as df square bracket age.describe and can also write the syntax as df.age.describe. This will return summary statistics for the age column, such as count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, various quartiles and maximum value. Now, let's consider a scenario where we need summary statistics for multiple columns in a data frame. The syntax is df double square brackets dot age, comma, salary dot describe. In this case, the double brackets are necessary because we are selecting more than one column. The double brackets tell Pandas that we are passing a list of column names, which allows us to get the summary statistics for both age and salary column. Using double bracket is important whenever we want to select more than one column from the data frame. The describe method will return the summary statistics for all selected columns. By applying describe to specific columns, you can focus your analysis on the most relevant data without processing the entire data frame. In addition to generating summary statistics for numerical columns, the describe method can also be used for non-numeric or categorical data. Categorical data include columns that contain text or string value, such as department name or job title. To generate summary statistics for non-numeric data, we use the following command: df.describe include equal to object. When applied to non-numeric columns, the describe method provides 4 key statistics. Count, the total number of non-null values in each column. Unique, the number of distinct values present in the column. Top, identifies the most frequent value, also known as the mode. Frequency, count of how many times the most frequent value appears. We will explore how to use the describe method to generate summary statistics for all columns, including both numeric and non-numeric data. By default, when you apply the describe method, it only summarizes numeric columns, such as those containing age or salary data. However, describe method allows you to generate summary statistics for all types of column, including non-numeric data like text or Boolean value. To do this, use the argument include equal to all as shown in the following syntax. df.describe include equal to all. This command will return statistics for every column in the data frame. For numeric columns, it will provide standard summary statistics, including count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and various percentiles. For non-numeric columns, it will generate statistics such as count, number of unique values, most frequent value, also known as top, and frequency of top value. By default, when you use the describe method in Pandas, it calculates percentiles at the 25th, 50th, and 75th positions. However, describe method allows you to customize these percentiles to better suit your analysis. To specify your own percentiles, you can pass a list of values to the percentiles argument. For instance, if you want to calculate the 10th, 25th, 50th, 75th and 90th percentiles, you would write df.describe percentiles equal to 0.1, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 0.9. This will help us see a broader view of how the data is distributed, especially in the lower and upper ranges. The output will provide the following information. The 10th percentile shows the value below which 10% of the data falls. The 25th percentile represents the first quartile. The 50th percentile is the median, indicating the middle value of the dataset. The 75th percentile represents the third quartile. Finally, the 90th percentile shows the value below which 90% of the data falls. This customization is useful for understanding specific data points that may be important for analysis, such as identifying outliers or focusing on the tails of the distribution. Let's summarize. df.describe method generates essential summary statistics for both numerical and non-numerical data. For numerical data, default output includes count, mean, standard deviation, min, max, and percentiles. Describe method allows custom percentiles by specifying a list. For non-numeric data, provides insights such as count, number of unique values, the most frequent value, and its frequency. In this exercise, we will focus on using the describe method to generate summary statistics. You are provided with the following data frame that contains 2 columns, height and weight. Now, check your understanding and tell what are the mean, standard deviation, and the 50th percentile, also known as the median, for both height and weight. In this problem, we are working with a data frame that contains two columns, name and department. Both of these columns consist of non-numeric data. The task is to use the describe method function to summarize the non-numeric data. In this problem, we are working with a data frame containing scores. Your task is to calculate custom percentiles for the score column using the describe method. Specifically, you need to compute the 10th, 50th, and 90th percentiles. In this problem, we are working with a data frame that contains columns of different data types, numerical, categorical, and Boolean. The data frame includes information on employee age, names, salary, and whether or not they are managers. Use the describe function to summarize the data. What are the summary statistics for the name and manager columns? Let's like and subscribe for more quick insights. Thanks for watching. अधिक जानकारी के लिए लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। देखने के लिए धन्यवाद।